Self-service procurement with SAP Business by Design. Empowering employees. In this demo, you'll see how the SAP Business by Design solution provides self-service functionality so your employees can procure what they need, route purchase requests to their manager for approval, streamline order processing, and award and confirm purchases, enabling you to save time and reduce the burden on the purchasing department. SAP Business by Design is an integrated solution that's delivered on demand through a single interface and supports core business processes for small and mid-sized businesses. In this example, accountant Iris Green needs a new computer monitor, so she logs into SAP Business by Design. Iris opens the Home Work Center and selects Self-Services Overview. SAP Business by Design provides robust self-service functionality to help employees with expense reporting, IT requests, and in this case, procuring equipment and supplies. In the shopping area, Iris selects Go Shopping to open a self-service shopping cart. In the shopping cart area, she enters the item type, product description, and quantity. She clicks Next and checks the details of the order to make sure the equipment will be correctly charged to her cost center. Then, she enters an explanation of why she needs this equipment and clicks Finish. The purchase has to be approved by her manager, CFO Edward Black, and it's automatically routed to him through the workflow in SAP Business by Design. Ed opens his Managing My Area Work Center and clicks on the Approvals view. He highlights the item Iris just created and clicks on the Approve button. The purchase request has now been routed to the purchasing department. Purchasing Manager Bill Warner opens his Purchase Requests and Orders Work Center and selects the Purchase Request view. He selects the correct line item and clicks on Edit. In the Items tab, he sees the product description. Then, in the Basic Data tab, he selects the product category from the pop-up menu. Moving to the Source of Supply tab, he clicks on the Assign Source of Supply button, and in the new screen he clicks on Assign Source of Supply. He saves and closes this screen. Bill wants to check pricing with two of his approved vendors, so he opens the Sourcing and Contracting Work Center and selects the Sourcing Request view. He clicks on the new RFQ button and selects the 4 selected items from the menu. He enters the description, submission date, and valid date. Then he clicks on the Bidders tab. He clicks the Add Row button and enters the names of the 2 vendors. Then, he clicks on Send to Bidders. The 2 vendors have sent their quotes and Bill enters them in SAP Business by Design by opening the Sourcing and Contracting Work Center and the RFQ and Quotes view. In the Show List field, he selects the All RFQ option and clicks on the New Quote button. In the New Quote screen, he enters details from the vendor, such as the date received and the amount of the quote, and clicks Submit. He completes the same steps for the other vendor. Next, Bill compares the quotes by opening his Sourcing and Contracting Work Center in the Request for Quotation view with all RFQs in the show list. The appropriate line item is selected, so he clicks on Compare Quotes and reviews the quotes from the vendors. Even though the Miller & Son quote is slightly higher, the vendor offers better service, so Bill clicks on Award and a purchase order is issued to the vendor automatically. Later, when the item is delivered, Iris confirms this in the solution by returning to her Home Work Center Self-Services Overview view. In the shopping area, she clicks on Confirm Deliveries and clicks on the Quick Confirm Delivery button to complete the process. Finally, when Iris receives the supplier's invoice, she will initiate its processing for payment. As you have seen, SAP Business by Design provides functionality across the entire procure-to-pay process so your employees can procure equipment, approve purchases, process orders, and manage procurement, all from a single solution.